So, quilters, do you have that one fabric you just cannot cut into? Well, this is my fabric. I've had it for a little over 19 years, and it does have a little bit of emotional toll to me because I stopped at Hancock's of Paducah on my way back to Kansas City after my mom had passed away. And this is the only fabric I bought, and it's the only time I've been to Hancock's of Paducah yet. So, since I've had this for over 19 years, you know that I'm not really a spring chicken, if that's not obvious. But it's a beautiful fabric, and I bought it thinking I would use it, but I've never been able to. This, however, may be the year. This is it's Opulence line by Paula Nadelstern, and I think this was called Madame Butterfly. I know that it's in a reprint, or was in a reprint, in a couple of different colors. I wish I had more yardage here. I think there's 3 yards. There may be 4. I don't know. But I was thinking actually about doing a 1-block wonder on this. But I know that I would not have enough fabric to make a full quilt. So what do you think about maybe ordering 1 or 2 of the other colorways that's out there, because I have seen some, and adding it in as part of a 1-block wonder quilt? Or should I use these beautiful butterflies and fussy cut and make the center of blocks? What would you do with this beautiful fabric? And I understand beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but I love all of the colors, the shapes. It just seems so dainty, so, I don't know, so beautiful. Anyway, I think this is the year that I'm going to cut this fabric, and I'm actually going to use it. So do you have fabric that you haven't cut that you're afraid to? Is this going to be your year to cut into that fabric? If so, let me know. And also, what pattern would you use if you didn't use some kind of a 1-block wonder on this? How would you feature this beautiful print? Until then, I will talk to you later. Bye.